Hi guys. Today we are going to Hurricane Harbor. I talked my mom into going because she was acting a little weird and thought she was finna lay in the bed all day, and that wasn't finna happen. So yeah, we're all hanging out as a family. Me and my sister, my dad, and my mother. We're gonna go have fun.
So excited.
She's not really. She didn't want to go in the first place. She never wants to go, but it's okay. Tell them how you feel.
I don't want to go. It's okay. I'm going anyway.
Maybe.
I planned on being at the house, relaxing. You know, it's nothing like when you plan on relaxing.
She relaxes every weekend. She doesn't want to do anything ever on the weekends.
That's a lie. We can't lie to them.
I'm not lying.
Huh? I be so busy throughout the week that on the weekends, I just want to do whatever it is that I want to do.
She does that every day.
That's what every day.
Do whatever you want to do.
You need help. But no, I'm going, and I'm gonna get on rides. Believe it or not, I know this is gonna be weird, but I don't know how to swim. But
anything that has a tube for her, she'll get in.
Anything that has a what?
A tube for you.
That's, well,
if it's a tube,
yeah, it just
she'll get on a water ride. If she's in a tube and she's in just water and she's floating, she'll freak out.
No.
And tell us to push her back to shore.
Well, girl, you better go lie to these.
I'm not lying.
I don't have to have a tube if it's like, no, if it's like 3
if
feet
it's like 1 feet, then yeah. If it's touching her ankles, she's okay.
Most water parks don't. Anyways, I'm not doing this with you.
3 feet only touches your ankles or legs, mama.
Yeah. 3 feet don't just touch your ankles.
What is it? What does it touch for you?
It probably, for me, it's probably
her knees. Her knees.
Yeah, I mean, that's
so it touches your ankle. Your ankle underwater.
Anyways, but I don't know how to swim. But I do enjoy going to water parks. You know, that's something that I do want to learn. I do want to learn how to swim. I think that's like...
She gave us swimming lessons when we were younger.
Well, I thought it was important for them to know how to swim because I don't know how to swim. So.
But it wasn't important for you to learn how to swim?
Well, yeah, I learned. Okay, a couple of years ago, we had a swimming pool in our backyard. My husband said he was going to teach me, and I'm still waiting. Yeah.
Mama, I've tried to teach you. Whatever.
Anyways, so we shall see. But Hurricane Harbor is a really nice water park in Arlington, Texas. It has a lot of cool rides.
And then we have Six Flags literally like right next to it. You can like see Hurricane Harbor like from roller coasters.
Howdy ho, Winslows.
All right, we're gonna head out, peeps.
Hi guys. We are officially at Hurricane Harbor. There goes the black hole. And you got the wedgie over there, that blue and yellow. It's getting packed a little bit. Didn't it just open? Oh yeah. Yeah, they do, because look at all those people on the black hole. They're online and stuff. And then they got like a little kid area for the little kids over there. Yeah. Yes. Well, we'll see you guys later once we get in the inside. We're still stuck in line.
All right, you guys, it is 10:38. The park opened at 10:30. Season pass members get in, I believe it's an hour early. And we pay for parking. What kind of parking do we pay for?
Preferred parking.
Preferred parking.
I'm
that
paying
way
like
we don't have to park.
Get that.
Yeah, we pay like what, $40, $50 for the parking. It's 10:30. 10:38. So the park just opened to the public technically at 10:30. And they're telling us the parking is full and we need to go to general admission. So now we've asked to speak to a manager. Let's see how this goes.
Daryl? Is it Daryl?
Yeah, one second. Dario.
Yeah, Dario. Hi, man. This is ridiculous. First of all, we didn't held this line up for. First of all, I done pay. Man, I pay for all this stuff here, and she tells me I gotta have a reservation because the park is full, and the park just opened up in 10:30.
Yeah,
that's ridiculous, bro.
People made these reservations online on their portal. So
that wasn't told to me. And all I know, I got preferred parking. The parking just opened up, and it's 100 freaking parking spots right here.
Yeah, they're all reserved. I'm sorry about that.
Nah, I'm not sorry about that. We need to figure out what we're gonna do. I didn't pay for this for to be here. I'm sorry. So if you're not the manager that need to take care of it, Dario,
the top manager you're gonna talk
then
to.
I need to talk to somebody else because that's not how that works.
Relations once you park.
So that's the. Are you taping that? Or is this what you, as a manager, this is the decision you making for me? You know, I've been sitting here 15 minutes already.
Sir, you have to make a reservation online.
That's not what it said for me.
Yeah,
that's not what it's, no, it does not. I done came here plenty of times. I didn't have that issue.
I'm sorry that you didn't have that issue, but you have to go through your portal to reserve it. That's the only way to do so.
Are you kidding me, man?
Yes, sir.
Normally, we would just go to general parking, but we pay for this preferred parking. This is the first time, and we've been coming here for a long time, that we're hearing that you have to make reservations, which doesn't mean it's not true, but I'm paying a lot of money to get preferred parking, and I can't go park in preferred parking. So my husband got out the car to talk to someone higher up.
Did she just hit the car?
Okay. I didn't know security was the person that gets for higher up, but okay. I'm trying to figure out how security gonna help with, I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm working with you here. Like I can feel you hot. Like I'm not trying to add to that. Like you know what I mean? Y'all look like y'all about water ready up here.
Yeah.
We ready. Yeah. Y'all don't say hi to the channel. Hey, okay.
I'm about water ready. So
Yeah, we about to move on, man.
I just need you to move up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we want to move on to the next park and go to where we need to go. I just gotta wait till this guy get out the way.
Yeah. By the way, I'm Dean, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Dean.
Resolved.
No, yeah.
Like I mean, I'm not trying.
Yeah.
Like I said, I understand what y'all going through. Like sometimes these little things work. If y'all really want to talk, I would recommend talking to Wendy and right here in GR.
I will.
She's like the boss. So like
Wendy,
if
here today?
Yeah, she here. She's sitting there now. So
okay.
If anything, she can resolve it. She's good people. You know what I mean? So like I said, they just can't have like this sitting here. And which like I said, and I'm not mad at you for it.
Yeah. I'm gonna move on. I ain't even tripping. I'm gonna handle it the PR way.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold him real quick and let y'all get out of here.
Okay, I appreciate you, boss.
Yeah, anytime.
Yes, sir.
All right, where you going?
What is it?
Hey, what's his name? Get his name, Dario. Okay.
So it looks like we're gonna have to park in general admission. Thank you.
I'll visit with Wendy. That's what I'll do.
All right, you guys. Yep, that sucks. Paying for preferred parking, but you have to have.
You're saying that you're paying for. You're making a
Gotta
reservation for something.
make a
you already paid
reservation, even though it's already paid for. But you have to make a reservation online in order to be able to park in preferred parking.
for. General means you can park wherever you want.
So
Yeah, we could have been parked in general.
Yeah, for real. All right, you guys. Well, we finna go into this water park and we'll check back in. This is getting out of hand. So we came and talked to the lady Wendy since we wasn't able to have to check myself, get stuff. Sorry, I didn't mean to steal your hat. Anyways, we don't even have to pay. But myself and my daughter, we were supposed to pay for our 2 tickets, but she's letting us in. That's what I'm talking about. Great customer service. It's not your hat. Yes, it is. You're such a thief. Okay, here. You can have it. Thank you, boo. Man, now I can't even get it on.
These two.
You two, come on.
All right, I appreciate it.
They're with me. You scan theirs.
Ooh, I love access.
Okay. Look, you beat them in.
I know that's right. This is great customer service, you guys.
Okay, so next time, like I said, yeah, they've got Jerry's World Park
Yes, ma'am.
over there, and we're the red step, red step.
Absolutely.
So next time you're gonna do it like we have seating over here. So
Okay.
you're gonna do it ahead of time.
Right.
So how do you do that?
You go on your portal. Let's scoot over here so people can get.
Absolutely.
Oh,
How do you-
I'm so sorry, and I took
Did
you
I need to
out.
create a portal? How to?
No, you should have one because that's how you know what all you have on here. So
Yeah.
you know what all you got. So you know you spend a lot of money on this.
Right.
So you don't miss anything.
Okay. So how do you add? Well, you probably don't know right now, but I was trying. How do you log into your portal?
Okay, I'll tell you what. You're gonna go when you get set.
Okay.
Center down here,
Okay.
the hooks are down.
Okay.
And you're gonna go, I need help.
Okay. I would do that.
You guys, my point is great customer service. We wasn't even going to say anything about the parking, but when we tried to go ahead and get our tickets, the guy told us it was $30. And we like, wait a minute, I thought it was 20. Then the manager comes over and said, no, it's 20. And we like, well, the guy just said 30. So, make a long story short, for the inconvenience, she decided to let us go ahead and come in. Thank you, I appreciate it. You have a good one.
Y'all have a good time.
You too.
All right, we're gonna go have a good time. Helping somebody out. You are. Getting a tube.
And what do you?
Little eateries. That black hole, I love that ride. Another cool.
Here with Hurricane Radio, reminding all of our season pass holders to make use of your season dining pass today while hanging out at Hurricane Harbor. It's a great way to enjoy a tasty meal with friends and family right here at Hurricane Harbor.
So we have the Diamond Elite membership. So we already get meal passes, but like if you decided to bring a friend or family member, then you get an additional 50% off. If you buy something to eat, as you can see, you get priority preferred parking.
So
Pretty much 50% savings on almost everything in the park as it shows. Pretty cool. You guys should check it out. Other eateries.
whatever you want to get on, babe, let's do it. It's gonna be a long line no matter what.
I know. We're gonna get on the block. We're about to get on this. Get in line. I tell you, they said you'll be waiting at the top of the spot.
Look at this one.
It says entrance. So these are the name of the ride. Tsunami and Typhoon. We live at theme parks. We're really into water parks and theme parks. So yeah. Yep. Give you guys a closer look at the ride. We about to get on that. Yeah, this might be a problem for Mr. and Miss. Because I know, combined, we at least go.
Yeah, me a single rider. I didn't know that.
Okay, that's the ride we getting on. We decided to get on the blue and black one, you see. Some of the other rides. It's pretty fun out here. So So that little light right there, that's what weighs you. You gotta stand up on that scale, and it's either, what is it?
Red or green?
Red or green. Dang. Step on the scale. All right. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh! Oh, I'm on the ride! Oh crap! Oh! I forgot myself! Oh crap! I'm going into the hole! Oh god! Okay, please hold it. Okay. Oh my god. I gotta take these shoes off. Oh my goodness. Oh my. All right, you guys. I just got up there. That was fun. That was really fun. I'm gonna wait on Bernard to get off. Excuse me. Whew. That ain't bad at all. Where am I going, Bernard? Were you scared, honey bun? All right, on to the next. Our next extravagant, y'all know we at a theme park. It's just chicken strips and french fries and a drink. And with this, since he's a Six Flags member, he gets to, I think he gets free drink. I think he just has to make sure he brings his cup and then they fill it up for him. And then like if I wanted to get something, then it would be 50% off. I don't come to these theme parks enough, so it'd be a waste of money. But Bernard and Maya go all the time. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and chow down, you guys. Alright, and got some little nachos. Did you get 50% off? Is it 50% off everything you buy?
Mm-hmm. Except this was part of my meal done free.
So he got that meal free, but it was 50% off.
No, that's free too.
Oh, this is free too.
This is considered a lunch, snack, and then I get a dinner.
Okay, so with when you're a member, at least an elite member,
A premium elite member,
you get the snack,
lunch, and dinner
free. And then anything outside of that is 50% off. So it's a cool little deal.
This little boy got mad because
Bacon cheese fries.
he under my tube.
Meal deal. Nope, you good.
He got mad. He got mad and told his dad because he was under my tube. And I didn't.
In the lazy river. It's all the way back there. Alright, you guys. I'm sitting on the tube in 2 feet of water. I'm lying. 0 feet. It's crowded, so I'm just sitting here waiting on the kids to get back so they can take their tubes. It's hot. We was in a lazy river for a minute, so I'm tired of being in there. Get on another ride. Alright, you got them just sitting in the water waiting on them to push me. Hey, boo. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, okay. I can't? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm still on the ride. They're pushing me. Thank you. Oh, that's the cool little thing. You'll see. They, this year, if you go on this particular ride. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. Ooh, that's kind of steep. Okay. Okay. What is that to that? Okay. All right. That's what happened. I said that was pretty steep. Ooh, I fell off that ride, y'all. We waiting on Bernard now. Where's he at? Whew. Ooh, I fell in that water. And that chlorine. Ugh. Alright, here come Bernard here in just a minute. Okay, here come Bernard. Ah, that's what you get. You alright, boo? You alright? Alright, you guys, on to the next. This is called the wedgie. Don't look like much. Wait, Yard is over there at the Hurricane Taco Hut.
Oh, this is where you go down and backwards.
Oh, they come. They come. Not too bad. You made it look easy. But when you do that first drop, oh, no joke.
And you're on the ground.
Look at this. Got that from the Hurricane Taco Hut. We just had tacos. I forgot to show you that. Y'all, look at my hair. We are officially done. They come back going to Six Flags. But you guys should definitely check out Hurricane Harbor in Arlington, Texas. We had us a good old time. Alrighty. See ya.